Hey, Nyanga dey sleep, trouble dey come wake am o, my people. Actor Yomi Fabiyi don come again o. People don begin dey accuse am say im go make video, im go produce video of Baba Ijesha Kerewa saga with 14 years old girl. And for the movie, e come even call the people name wey be say involve. No be wahala be this. A lot of people come dey react to dem say they want to report this movie o. They say they want to report this movie. Somebody say, how can I report this movie on YouTube? Someone should educate me. No be small thing o. Some people when they watch this video say abeg the video no make sense at all. Say the video portray very bad character of people like dem Iyabo Ojo. Say for the video, a boy asked a girl named Iyabo Ojo about her future profession, and she said she would like to be a prostitute. Now wow. So people can't say no way, say they no just say. Some people can't even they call Yomi say in a bastard. They say in the craze. Why go they act this? Why go they produce this kind of yeshos movie? Somebody say Yomi is a bastard. He actually did a movie about the whole princess stuff and painted the story like the 14 years old girl was having a thing with Baba Ijesha. I can't believe this. He titled the movie Oko Iyabo and actually used their names. Now wow. See wahala. In fact, this movie industry, the thing can't be like joke. I don't even know people where they watch this one and movie them. I don't know people where they even they patronize them for all this kind a fantastic movie where we say no get head. How can you just decide to use somebody real name? Waiting. Actor Yomi Fabiyi called out for making a movie with Baba Ijesha Kerewa saga and using the names of those involved in the case. Why the case still dey for court? Chai. Now while he was also accused of making it look like that is speaking where we say he never reached to get affair. They get affair with Baba Ijesha. So this kind of thing now, a lot of people they feel say the way we say at this thing, most people say they want to report this movie they want to report the movie for YouTube. Now me I call the word we wonder say I think they get a movie censors board before before they produce any movie for Nigeria. Waiting all those actors guide and censors board of Nigeria that they do. Is it that somebody go just wake up from sleep, go just decide to produce nonsense in a movie, my people? Because this whole thing get as it be. Now trouble now this man they find, this Fabiyi they find because the Baba Ijesha case is in their court. Now they say so it's in their court. So they never even prove Baba Ijesha guilty until the court of competent jurisdiction go decide the case. For Yomi Fabiyi to go they produce the movie, can't even they call the name of the people where we say they involved for the matter. Title the movie say Oko Iyabo. That one a trouble now in the fine. Now a lot of people come they talk, my people. How na see this whole thing? So me I want to report. I want to react. I want to read some of the comments for the comment section. Make una hear how people just take this whole thing. In fact, a lot of people say now, wow. Somebody say he just used Baba Ijesha to resurrect his dead career. Horrible. Has say no to child abuse. Now wow. Now wetin one person talk. You all should go and flag and report to YouTube. It will be taken down immediately. Keep reporting. Now wetin somebody talk oh. Somebody say I'm disgusted. Now wow, Actor Guild of Nigeria, are they not censoring all this movie before they go produce am? Abi somebody go just wake up from sleep. Another that person say I really want to know the cast and crew members. I'm telling you because some people they say those people where we say those actors and actresses when they even agree to participate for the movie say now then they go blame say because waiting not be every movie where we say they ask you to act now you go act, you go look at very well. Another person say it is the Jude Coco shoe for me. Another person say don't blame Mr. Ikebe. He claimed he had one child that he never see or hear from his baby mama for past 10 or 13 years. How do you want a mental health to be? How do you want his mental health to be? Now, wow. They seriously need to check that guy mental health. Now, wetin somebody talk? Somebody say that video should be brought down and the film board of Nigeria or whatever they are should look into this Yomi Fabiyi guy's matter. I think he's beginning to run kolo. My people, oh, how una see this whole thing? How una see this whole thing? The thing just get as e be. I was a victim of kerewa in secondary school. Up till now, I can't forgive the guy. I had promised myself to revenge even in 10 years. He should pray I don't have enough money because he will rot in jail. Honestly, this kerewa matter. So somebody say Iyabo Ojo need to arrest this guy. Why can't you use someone name in and still abuse her? Now wow. So people say make Iyabo Ojo go carry olopa take nab this guy, say because na trouble na in dey find, say he can't just use Iyabo Ojo name. And una know say my people, in case you are lost into this whole thing, una go the one that say wetin me I dey talk about. This Yomi Fabiyi na one of Nigeria actors when they support Baba Ijesha matter for, and I not say Baba Ijesha actually get kerewa case for court. So as e come be, the matter they never judge and finish. So and Iyabo Ojo na one of the persons when e be say e make sure say this case of Baba Ijesha e bring her into publicity. So the matter now of that thing na last week now they release Baba Ijesha. They release Baba Ijesha from detention. Before you know, this guy don't go produce this same storyline of wetin happen. Can't even name the people, the real name, and the thing no go down well with a lot of Nigerians. And they react seriously. And the worst part of it is say he can't even mention Iyabo Ojo name for this movie. So people now they say make Iyabo Ojo arrest him. So my question now be say, if you be Iyabo Ojo, if you support me Iyabo Ojo arrest this guy, but una leave una comment for comment section, because this one I read trouble now in the fine. I'm just telling you the truth. Now trouble now be this one. I no see reason why person will just dey find trouble. Person say who even approved this movie, and the producer and the markets need to be sanctioned and sued and should be sued. Yes, so now wetin somebody talk, somebody say na really rubbish film be this. Another person call body out, report to every social media, but please allow me to finish watching. Okay, even Nigeria itself is a joke. The person can't laugh, he can't put laughing emoji when he reach like 20. Another person, let's just report the movie massively. Now wetin dem dey talk, you can imagine a lot of people, 99% of people, they not just appreciate this movie. And when you as a producer produce movie, when it be say a lot of people no appreciate, it no make sense at all. Because me, I don't see anything where be say any message now where this movie they try to convey. In fact, people where be say that they watch all these their Nigerian movies, said that they try, because most of the Nigerian movie where be say they see it, they know they make sense. They know they make sense. So kind yaga fantastic thing. The storyline know they make sense. As you even they watch yourself, you don't really know how the movie go end. You don't even tell the storyline that men watching the first scene or second scene. So nothing they captivate you about the Nigerian movie. So the actor guy that all the censors waiting come, they say they call this guy to other, or that this person say these Tampa elders or whatever they call them, they are the worst for watching all this happen. Waiting one person talk, Tampa abi Tampo, they won't see this one. No, now waiting somebody talk. So my people, what are your thoughts? We're gonna leave on a comment for comment section, because this whole thing, somebody say I hate dragging kids into things, but the best punishment deserved is that the same and even something more was happened to the daughter. That is I beg, I don't feel even talk again. I don't feel read there. I don't read comment section. I don't tire. Somebody said, have mercy please. In fact, then may I just stop here, my people. Una leave una comment for comment section. Have a wonderful day. Bye.